My people, I salute you. Receive your own greeting. Konye chiri ya zelu, meaning receive your greeting according to your title. Today I've come with my Igbo proverb lesson. Since I have seen that many people are now getting interested in learning how to speak Igbo, but this is one of the deep area where the older guys are using to mess the younger ones. Where you are, if you sit where the older people are talking, most of the times, sorry, most of the times they will be speaking in parables, in proverbs. And if you are not very good at it, you get lost. You will be there and not knowing what they are saying. So, like the picture you can see, you are seeing here in your screen, on your screen, is Gary, is Nigerian or African delicacy. Granite, Gary. This is kind of fast food that poor guys normally use. I would say yes, poor guys, because it's affordable. So it has this poor. I don't know how to explain it, but this is Gary mixed with granite, sugar, and water. As you can see, this guy, he made it very delicious. Added cold ice block, so it is probably rich, and so for some of the Nigerians, we are used to this kind of. We know it is Gary mixed with granite, sugar, and it's fast food. So, and sometimes we see it as the food for the poor people. We mostly refer to the poor people, and so there is a parable or there is a proverb surrounding it, and there here says in Igbo, Gari inwere, Gari inwe n'ụlọ gị. I'm sorry, I'm repeating. Gari inwe n'ụlọ karịrị osikapa jollof mmadụ kwere gị na nkwa. I repeat. Gari inwe n'ụlọ karịrị osikapa jollof mmadụ kwere gị na nkwa. Gari nwere n'ụlọ karịrị osikapa mmadụ kwere gị na nkwa. I've repeated it many times so that you can follow up and say it along the line. Meaning the gari, which is this one that you have at home, is better than the osikapa is rice. You know, we have this osikapa jollof, like they normally say Nigerian jollof. So osikapa is rice. Jollof is when you have mixed it together, reddish color, without stew different. And so osikapa, madu kwereginankwa. People promised you. In other words, you see some average family, no money, and people will promise to give them rice. So, in as much you have a little thing at home, that one at home is better than the one people promised you. There is an English proverb that's similar to this. One bird at hand is better than million birds in the bush. You know, so the one bird that you have in your hand is better than the million in the bush. The gari at home, the gari that you have at home, is better than the millions or osikapa, the rice that the millionaire has promised to give to you. So this is literally the meaning of this. And another thing I want to say to this is, be contented with what you have. Respect that little token in your house, in your hand, that little gift with you. Don't let it waste. That little thing, that little service that you have, keep it up. Don't think it is nothing, because before you know it, it becomes a bundle, it becomes huge. Consistency wins the race. The consistency in doing the right thing. So Gari inwe. However, here is supposed to be inwere. So it's Anambra will say inwe. n'ụlọ karịrị osikapa jollof mmadụ kwere gị na nkwa. Now let's try and see what the comment section is saying. So here someone wrote, as poor men make use of this one whole body. As a poor man, make I use this one whole body. Nkenjika. This person is trying to translate it in a very short way. Nkemjika means the little one, the one at hand is more important, is greater. Nkemjika. So Nkemjika is people do give their children this name. It's someone's name. We name people this name here, Nkemjika. So this one says, okay, this one is bringing new. Now let me look for. It's bringing new parable, new proverb. Ihe m nwere juru m afọ karịa ihe onye ọzọ. Ihe m nwere juru m afọ karịa ihe onye ọzọ. Meaning, translating the one we've just done, the previous one we spoke on. Ihe m nwere, what I have, juru m afọ, full my belly. I'm satisfied with what I have more than someone else's property or belonging. So this person says, nke a bụ ilu ma bụrụ eziokwu. Nke a bụ ilu ma bụrụkwa eziokwu. This is a proverb and also a truth. Very truthful. Nke a bụ eziokwu na-enweghị mgbagha. This is truth without contradiction. This is truth without contradiction. Nke a bụ eziokwu na-enweghị mgbagha. Nke a bụkwa eziokwu. Nke a bụ eziokwu. Gwam. Okay, this is bringing new this thing. Nke a bụ eziokwu. So I don't want to talk about new one because I'm going to be making video on the new one, new proverbs separately. So thank you, and continue to learn Igbo, continue to enjoy especially the parable or the proverbs. I will bring you more video on that, so continue to like so that YouTube can spray my video. Well, if you don't like it, they will not spray it. They will not think it's important, and when you like it, you are supporting me. Thank you. Ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ. Ka emesịa means bye bye.